Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee. At ang sender natin ay si Uno Motor Shop.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, ang order ko rito is yung pang RFI 175 na rear brake pads. So ayan, box natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi.
Hindi, wow.
So guys, si seller is legit. So ito yung brake pads ng RFI 175 version 2. Thank you for watching.